Evening folks, I just want to show you something because I don't know this cat. If I didn't notice, it's this is what they're like. Curiosity kills the cat. This was about 2 hours ago I opened this to come home. Come on, out. Fenton, you're a plonker. If you peed in there. Right, go. This is the idea, okay? We've got to replace, Fenton, thank you, that seal around the boat hatch because it's leaking quite bad. And then once I can tattle that inside on that floor where that pipe is, you can see a little square hole that's full of water. So I need to, so I've got to clean all this up. And this is the new rubber. He's happy now, isn't he? Which I bought from Amazon. I'll drop the link in below. Fenton, no. I'll drop the link in below where I got this from. And hopefully it fits. He's happy. You know, you're happy to be out. I know. There you go, mate. There's a bit of fuss. Alright. So I'll arm myself with the wire brush cleaner, a pair of scissors, screwdrivers to get the old one off. And I'll set it up and we'll have a look how to get the old one off. It's been on, this is 1975? Something like that, 1985? If anybody knows exactly how old, this is a Skipper 17, twin drop keel, dated from 1970 onward, I believe. I don't know how you can tell. I can't see any plaques anywhere. That's the thing. Original name, well, was Bluebell, but you never know, do you? Okay, let me crack on. Okay. Wobbly. I'll get this trailer sorted at some point as well. Right. That's it. Let's get comfortable. Right. I'll set you up and see if we can start peeling this off. Okay. Let's give it a bit of a razz. It's been on here yonks. This is different stuff I've got by the look of it because this has got a bit of a hole. So hopefully this stuff works. I won't show you it all, I just want to see it started. Looks like it's going to take some doing because the glue is pretty. Let's have a look. Oh, maybe not, maybe not. Let's just see it get started. Oh, there we go. Yeah, not too bad. No, 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 cat, go, you nosy. He's the most nosiest cat I've ever known, honestly. Anyway, so there we go. Peel it. Quite brittle. Once you get going, there we go. Okay, I'll crack on with this. We'll get back to you when it's finished. Some places the glue hasn't stuck that well. Well, it's been on that long that I think it's gone brittle, which all of it has. But if you just peel it, it seems to come off. Look at that, see? It's not too bad. You get a good run then. Okay. That's one we shouldn't take long. Look, we're nearly halfway, nearly halfway. Okay, so I'll start this side. I don't know whether we're going to use it this year. It would be nice. We could go local. We've got a river, which is the River Severn, but I don't think it's going to handle a sailboat. But we'll see. I'm going to try and get this, like I said, finished tonight because we forecast quite a bit of rain now over the next night, I believe. Anyway, okay, not that bad. Give it a clean. I won't use a wire brush on it. I'll just get this off, and I might get some glue remover. But also, I don't know if you've noticed down in the bottom here where my finger is, if I can zoom in a little bit, and again just twist you around. I could get these railings out and give them a clean if these come undone. There's only one per railing Well, actually, that wouldn't be a bad idea. I'll see if they come undone. They won't budge. So what I'm going to do is just get a cloth underneath and give them a bit of a that way. See, that could do with sealing again, couldn't it? I don't think it's not just the rubber. I think the glass. Oh, right. Alright, I need some... I really don't know how to get this apart. I need to get this glass out because it's not sealed. Look at it. Look at that. This is a bigger job. No wonder it's been leaking quite bad inside. So I've got to get all these undone. Or have I? I'm just trying to think. So this holds the frame together. Those two, well, those have to come undone anyway. And then does the frame split? There's only two. There's only these there, and then those at the top. But somehow it's got to separate to get the glass out. Okay, I'll have a play. I'll get back to you in a sec. That's it. I can move the glass. I've got the glass moving, but I can't see another join. Is this what you do? Just move it a bit and it comes apart? Or I've got two railings off. And there's no split at the top anywhere though. It just seems to be this bit at the bottom. So does it spread enough that you can get the glass out? Bit weird to me. Okay, I'll keep trying. Okay, so this is spreading really well now, look. What I want to do now, I'm not bothered about that. What I want is one more hinge one there and one hinge one there. Can you see that one there? And that one, once I got this off, I'll redo the whole lot because it's a mess, look. So I've got 3 bars loose, 1 stuck, so I can get this to work. I have to drill these out slightly, I think. That's the only thing I can think of. I'll have another go and I'll get back to you in a sec. Can you see this? I've never seen anything so awkward. There's only 1 split in it and I'm pulling it out sideways. Hey, it's weird, this is. Okay, got the glass out in one. I'll drop that inside. I'm going to have to put some tarp over this. It's getting late now. And I've got to try and get the rest of this off and then I can clean it. Look at it. See where it's been leaking. I never even thought of that, you know. So I'll clean all that out. See that? Yeah. It might be a part 2, put it all back together again. What a mess. No, not too bad. Just get a screw behind it and, well, it's brittle, and then further up here it's quite soft. It's quite rubbery up there. It's just time, innit? So I'm holding my phone at the same, see? It's not that bad. There, coming out little bits of square chunks. Okay, it might have to be a part 2, I'm afraid, guys, because it's going to take me some time. If you like the vid, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe button where it normally is, over there. Next video coming up is over here. Let me zoom out. My arms out. What was I going to say? Yeah, so it's going to be a bit of a long-winded one. This one, I do apologise for that, but it's all entertaining, isn't it? What the hell? That's going to take me a while. I think that's a really stupid design. I don't know why there isn't a twin split in it, but there is not. There is not anywhere. If anybody knows anything about these windows, please leave a message down below. I would really appreciate that. Couple of my screws. I mean, it might be easier and more flexible if I can get this bar off, because it's actually holding this, so it's not so flexy. So I'm going to have to take that off if I can. But right for now, I'm going to have to I'm going to leave that. I was just showing you a demo on that. I've got to try and get this off. If not, it's going to be a bit of a tarp over this and some masking tape, because it's forecast rain for the next 2 weeks. So I might not put this up just yet. I might just wait until I can get to it. It might be a bit drier tomorrow with a bit of luck. I mean, if it doesn't, yeah, whatever, you know what I mean. And I'll try and get back to it. I'd like to get this off tonight, to be honest with you. It'd make life a lot easier. Okay, just in case, take care. And if not, I might see you in a bit. Okay, got the window off. We did this, this is the following evening, I'm afraid. Yeah, I couldn't do it last night. So how I got them off, I eventually drilled them out, but they're stainless steel. So here's a bit of a hack for you, okay? Get some really good, decent, sharp drill bits. A drill. Doesn't matter what it is, as long as you've got a speed on it, so you can drop it down to the lowest speed possible, okay? And a good tin of the WD-40. Okay, spray it on before you start drilling, slow speed, and it works a treat. Actually got it off tonight within 10 minutes. Just drilled them carefully with the first pilot drill. I've got this one to do to get the bar off, so I'll do that now. If I can film it, I'll show you actually. Bit of that, hold it down. And then get it off any bits. Even though there's still in there, put a bit more in. It doesn't hurt. Nice and slow. It shouldn't be far off actually. Not quite yet. So a little bit more. This drill might be getting a bit blunt. Oh, that sounded like it. You can hear it just go sort of a bit of a slight crack. If that's right, I don't know. There you go. See? Just heard that little bit of it. And that's the screw breaking off. So I got that off that one, and I've got two to do this end. That sounds awful, doesn't it? But it's the only thing that does it. You're probably going to ask me now, well, when you get it all off, how do you get it? I don't know. How you get the screw out afterwards, I don't know. I'll have a go, I'll have a play. I'll just usually feather it out, but I'll probably get a good pair of mole grips on it, and then I'll put some WD. Trying to get rid of these filings. And I will just let it sort of soak in some WD and go from there. I'll try, if I can get that in focus, get a mole grip on that and get it off. If it's not too seized, we'll see. I might have to drill them and retap them, or I don't know, drill all the way through possibly and put a stainless steel little tiny nut and bolt all the way through. I'm not too worried about it. Let's get this other one out and then we're done. There he is. A bit more WD. There we go. I'm going to force it a little bit more. Actually on a flat surface, needs a bit of pressure, by the way. That's it. Yeah. That's it. There you go. Okay. So that's it now. Start cleaning, getting it tidy and get the glass back in. Okay, Just going to show you how I'm getting the putty out. I'm putting the screwdriver down the side, moving it from the edge, and then just, it seems to lift up okay, and then that's it. It's coming out all right. So I'm just freeing it best I can. I mean, this is like 40 years, 50 years, who knows. There you go. That's what I mean. So just free it from the back. Put your screwdriver in, and it just tends to. Another hack. So it's 2 hacks in one day. That's pretty good going, isn't it? I think I'll carry on with that. Okay, pretty clean. Took me about half an hour just using a flat-headed screwdriver. And that's it. Every way around, you can tell. Look at this. I'm going to clean all that up now. Okay.